Yeah, that first one, God, if it just would have held 5 seconds longer, right? But it was running and it ran out into a clearing and jumped. Where's Harley? Why are we pinching so much this way? I said, why are you pinching so much this way? Because I'm pretty much on the road. Gotta go in deeper. Well, this is turning out to be a productive little field. Oh, that might have been a young rooster. That might have been a young rooster. Oh, Harley doesn't have it. Stella does.
Nice one.
Thanks, buddy.
Thanks, Stella.
Thanks, Stella. Harley was, both those dogs you could tell were working that one because Harley, oh, Rick got it third. Yeah, let's.
I don't think we can go through this swamp if I remember right, guys. I mean, we can start walking it, but...
Well, Ricky's that way, so we got to figure out